Hey there, welcome to another FileDrop update. Today I want to share a few updates we've made to the tool. First of all, for the FileDrop file upload forms, now you can import Google Forms with all the fields that they have directly into our tool, and the form will be duplicated. It will display the fields that you have already there without you having to manually create them one by one. Another update for the file forms is our integration with the Google Sheets add-on that we have. We have a new sidebar there. You can open the file request sidebar, and you will find there a few options. Once you add your API key, you'll be able to create new forms to collect files. You'll also be able to see already all the forms that you have, plus each form responses. And you'll be able to insert the responses directly into your Google Sheet. Our tool already does this via the Google Sheet sync. So if you already have a Google Sheet connected to the form, it does this automatically, but we added this as a manual setup. You'll be able to search and a couple of other things. Next, we added the simple OCR tool for the responses. When you get PDFs or images that you want to extract text from, you'll be able to do that directly in the response page, plus in the tables as well, our new tool for organizing information. If you want to go and test that, if you're using the Google Sheet add-on, you might want to take a look at the tables as well. We added some templates that are easy to create. Just a click of a button, it will create different types of file upload forms for different departments, for HR, for finance, and much more. We have an in-house spam and antivirus protection tool that can be enabled. It's called Verifence. This will protect your forms from unwanted email addresses or spam or anything like that. It can be enabled at any time. It's free and it's available to all the users. It can scan for phishing links or viruses that can be inserted in documents like PDFs, Word files, presentations, and the like. Another update is for the embedding option. Now you can have multiple types of embeddings depending on the website that you have. You can do it in your WordPress site or other CMS that you're using. Go ahead and test that as well if you want to gather files directly on your website and you don't want to use our links. We added some improved analytics. You'll see a lot more details about the people that fill in the forms and upload the files to the forms. We had also some design updates that make the tool a bit more usable, but that you can see directly by registering or logging in if you already are a user or customer. That's it for today. Thank you, and see you next time. Cheers.